how to use text-to-speech feature in Clipchamp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech feature in Clipchamp in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up a Clipchamp video editor and then tap on create a new video. So once you've done that, tap on record and create on the left hand side, and then on the very bottom you'll see text to speech. Tap on it, and now here on the right side you'll see a box and it says type what you like to say. So you'll have to put in a script here. So whatever you type in here and hit save will appear on your text to speech right here on the video. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.